If you're thinking about dividing spaces without any building work or drilling, room dividers are the most versatile solution out there. Perfect for creating privacy in shared flats, carving out a work-from-home zone, or simply adding a different decorative touch, these dividers set up in seconds and adapt to any space. All the products I'm covering today are available in Europe, and I've left the links in the description so you can check them out directly. Open-plan living is brilliant for light and that sense of space, but sometimes you just need to create your own little bubble without the hassle. Let's dive in. Relaxday's 6-panel divider, which is a stunner if you want something with natural character. It measures 170 centimeters tall by 241 wide when fully unfolded, and the best bit is that it's made with 70% braided paper cord over a wooden frame. This gives it a gorgeous bohemian look that works brilliantly in bedrooms or living rooms with warm decor. With 6 panels, you get loads of flexibility to create zigzag shapes or even semicircles, which also gives it extra stability. It weighs very little, between 6 and 7 kilos, so anyone can move it around without breaking a sweat. That said, being natural fiber, it's not suitable for damp areas like bathrooms or terraces, and the 170 centimeters of height covers you nicely when seated, but won't fully hide someone standing up. Ideal for creating an improvised dressing area in your bedroom or separating the sleeping zone in a small studio. Moving on to the Homcom 3-panel divider, which is the most heavy-duty of the lot. It reaches 182 centimeters tall and 253 wide, with a frame made of 19mm metal tubes and 160 grams per square meter polyester fabric. What really sets it apart is that it comes with lockable swivel casters, so you can wheel it anywhere in the house effortlessly and lock it in place wherever you need it. The fabric is completely opaque, blocks all light, so if you need total privacy for video calls or simply want to hide that laundry area in plain sight, this is your divider. The plastic hinges let the panels rotate a full 360 degrees, not just one direction like traditional dividers, giving you complete freedom to create U-shapes or even triangular setups. It does need assembling, but it's straightforward and quick. Unlike the Relaxdays with its artisan feel, this one goes straight for professional functionality. Next up is the Quick Star Paravent. And this one is special because it's the only option on the list built for outdoor use. It comes in 3 and 4 panel versions, measuring up to 220 centimeters wide in the larger version and 165 tall. What makes it stand out is its 100% waterproof polyester fabric and its 19mm powder-coated steel frame in anthracite. It includes tension cords and ground pegs to stake it down, just like a tent, so it handles wind on balconies or patios without any trouble. It also works brilliantly indoors for offices or studios where you need something tough and easy to wipe clean. Picture a city balcony where the neighbors have a direct line of sight onto your terrace. This divider gives you total privacy with zero building work. That said, it's not designed to stay up all year round in heavy rain or extreme sun. It's meant for temporary or semi-permanent use. You can buy several units and link them together with the extra clips included to create much longer barriers. Now we're switching concept entirely with the Your Casa translucent panel, because this one works differently. It hangs from the ceiling. It measures 118 centimeters wide by 240 tall and installs with a Japanese-style panel rail system. The brilliant thing is that the translucent material diffuses shapes but lets light through, so you divide spaces without darkening them. It's perfect if you've got a flat with few windows where an opaque divider would leave entire areas without natural light. Because it's fixed to the ceiling, you free up the floor completely, which is a massive bonus in small spaces where every centimeter counts. Imagine a studio where you need to separate the sleeping area, but without creating that closed-off cave feeling. This panel gives you visual privacy while keeping the sense of brightness. It's also ideal as a video call backdrop because it hides the mess, but projects a soft, professional-looking light. The only thing is that you do need to install it on the ceiling, so it's not as instant as unfolding a freestanding divider, but once it's up, it looks completely integrated. Let's talk about another solid option, the Vida XL 3-panel divider, which gets straight to the point. Available in several sizes, up to 260 centimeters wide by 180 tall, it has a coated iron frame and 100% breathable polyester fabric. The design is pure minimalism, no frills, in neutral colors like black or anthracite that blend into any modern decor. The fabric lets a tiny bit of light through, which stops the divided space from going completely dark while still giving you visual privacy. Here's a curious detail. While wooden dividers can absorb odors or splinter over time, and paper ones get shredded by pet claws, this iron-framed one handles everything. Perfect for shared flats, student rooms, or as a quick backdrop for online classes. On top of that, the fabric acts as a light acoustic absorber, softening echoes in rooms with tiled or hardwood floors. It won't block conversations, but it does take the edge off that annoying background noise. Now here's a really interesting option for anyone who rents: the Weldom system. It's essentially a bar structure that runs from floor to ceiling using pressure, no drilling whatsoever. It adjusts from 227 to 312 centimeters in height and from 71 to 178 in width. The key here is that you buy the bar frame and then choose whichever curtains you want to hang on it, so you've got total freedom to customize the style and level of privacy. This is absolute gold if you're renting and can't put holes in the walls. You can hang thick blackout curtains to create a division that genuinely blocks light and noise, or go with lightweight ones if you just need a visual separation. Imagine a large studio where you want to create 2 rooms. Set this system up with thermal curtains, and you've got a full textile wall that also insulates. If you're only heating one part of the room in winter, this thermal barrier saves you serious energy. The only catch is that you need a solid ceiling to push against. It won't work with suspended tile ceilings. Compared to the Your Casa that fixes permanently with rails, this system gives you more flexibility because you can swap the curtains whenever you fancy. And we're finishing with the one that makes the biggest visual impact, the Mirando XXL with its bamboo design. With 5 panels adding up to 225 centimeters wide and 171 tall, it weighs over 9 kilos because it has a solid wood frame and high-quality canvas with high-definition printing. The green bamboo Zen motif turns this divider into a decorative centerpiece that brings instant visual calm. It arrives fully assembled. You don't have to do a thing, just unfold it. It's perfect for yoga spaces, spas, or as a premium video call backdrop where you want to project professionalism and serenity. The solid wood gives it rock-steady stability. It doesn't budge even with air currents. One important detail is that the print is only on one side. The other is plain, but this actually has a positive angle. If you're using it to separate your workspace, place the beautiful side facing the relaxation area and the plain side towards your desk so your brain associates the art with unwinding and the neutral surface with focus. It works as an absolutely brilliant psychological tool. Now that you've seen the options, let's group them by what you actually need. If you rent and can't drill but want a serious division with curtains of your choice, the Weldom tension bar system is the one. For outdoor use or balconies, the Quick Star is the only one built to handle moisture and wind. If you need something on wheels that you can constantly reposition in offices or studios, the Homcom with its casters and 360-degree rotating panels is unbeatable. For small spaces where you don't want to lose light but need something fixed and well integrated, the ceiling-mounted Your Casa panel keeps the brightness while dividing the room. If your priority is budget and durability with zero fuss, the iron-framed VDXL will give you years of use without any maintenance. For natural settings with a bohemian touch, the Relaxdays braided paper divider brings unique texture and personality. And if you're after maximum decorative impact with a premium finish, the Mirando bamboo turns the humble room divider into functional art. All the links are in the description so you can compare prices and features. If this video helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more practical guides like this one.